Welcome students. Today we are going to do the word problems of subtraction. Before doing the word problems of subtraction, we will first understand what a word problem is. We are going to revise this concept because we have done the same concept while doing our word problems of addition, and let us revise it. What is a word problem? When questions of mathematics are presented in the form of a story or statement, we call them word problem. We can also call them story problem or statement problem. Now the question is how to solve these word problems. So students, you all know that to solve these problems, first we have to read the statement carefully, and secondly, inside the story there is a number which we need to use to solve the word problem. And also, let me remind you, you can underline those numbers also for your those numbers which you need for the solution of your problem. Next are the keywords. Like addition keywords, subtraction keywords are also there, which are very much helpful for us for solving our problem. So there are several names for subtraction. Few of the following are less, how many left, how much more, rest, difference, left. So whenever you see such kind of the keywords, you will come to know that we have to subtract in this particular question. Next comes, let us take an example. In a school, there are 1550 students. If 425 are boys, how many girls are there? Now read the statement carefully. What this statement is talking about the students of a school. How many total students are there? Underline them. How many boys are there? Underline them. Then check it out. What do we have to find? We have to find the number of girls. So what do we require? We are required to subtract the number of boys from the number of the total number of the students. So your statement should be like this. Total number of students is equals to 1550. Number of boys is equals to 425. Number of girls is equals to 1550 minus 425, and the answer is 1125. One thing is to be noted here, that you are to subtract in the same way in which you are doing for your previous worksheets. Coming on to the worksheet number 6, question number first. Rahul had 2359 stamps. Out of these, 1985 are Indian stamps and the rest are foreign stamps. How many foreign stamps did he have? So, what is the question about? Read the statement carefully. And then, how many stamps Rahul have? 2359. So, for the solution, the first statement of ours is total number of stamps is equals to 2359. Next, how many are out of them are Indian stamps? The number of Indian stamps is equals to 1985. Number of foreign stamps is equals to, how are we going to find out how many foreign stamps did Rahul have? We are going to subtract the Indian stamps, number of Indian stamps from the total stamps he is having. So subtract 1985 from 2359, and your answer is 374 stamps. That means how many foreign stamps did Rahul have? He have 374 stamps. So students, in this way you can solve your worksheet questions like this in your fair notebooks. You have to follow the same method which we are using in the previous exercise for solving our questions. I will share the